we're on site down here in Eleonora looking at this brand new pool build, and we're working through today with the plumber on how to do the plumbing and drainage for a Luxus tile insert grate around the pool. We have Lee here from Wave Plumbing running this plumbing around the pool. Lee, how many outlets are we going to be looking at today to produce the amount of water flow that we need for this pool area?
Hi, today we're going to be looking at 3 on this side of the pool, and then we're going to look at putting 2 on this side of the pool. And then obviously the skimmer box here is going to break it up a little bit, so we'll have to put another outlet on the other side of the skimmer box there as well.
So as we just heard, we're just looking at the calculations. With this one we have about a 70 square metre pool area running into this pool. So when you're working calculations out, you want to work out how much water flow you're going to get into the Luxus drain, and also working with the Luxus team on how much water a Luxus drain can take. By doing that, we can then calculate how many outlets we need to put into the drain and to ensure that we get water flow out of this drain.